Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your following list on the RedNote app on your iPhone. So if you recently gained followers and you want to hide it from all the others, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for the RedNote app. Here, you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and make sure you're on home. At the top left, you want to go ahead and tap on the three lines. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on settings. Here you're finding the privacy settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now from here, you want to scroll down and in relationship, you want to find following and the follower list. Tap on it. Now here you'll be able to find your following list and your follower list. So go ahead and enable any of the settings that you want to hide. And once that's done, go back. And now your following and your follower list has been hidden on the RedNote app. So there you go guys, that is how to hide your following list on the RedNote app using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.